What you doing, Sarah?
A big snowman.
Oh, yeah?
Are you recording this?
I am.
Man.
Where's Emmer? No snowballs at Mommy. Come on. Snowball at each other, but be nice about it. Oh, be gentle. Emily. Goodness.
I did that because I like you.
I like you, too. I like you better when you're not throwing snow at me, though.
I'm not. Stop throwing my snowman at me. I'm not going to come down.
No?
No. Whoa. Didn't see that coming. But I do need to get here.
Be careful.
I need this. Trying to get that out. So, Mommy, what are you doing?
I don't know. What are you doing, Miss Thing?
Nothing. Oh, Holly Lolly's looking for you.
Is Holly looking for me?
She's going now.
Holly!
Yellow.
Oh, I just see my Moo Moo reflection.
Hiding all the yellow.
Oh, yummy, Sarah.
So here's the snowman's things. Right? Just keep it for a while because we're not ready for it. I'm gonna make something. I need a big snowman.
Yeah, Emmy, help your sister make a great big snowball. A gigantic snowball. I might even have a carrot for his nose.
Hey, I
Yeah.
make the mom.
Yes, dear. That's the way. You're getting there. Yeah, just sort of pack it around on the top.
Says hi. Ah. Take your head, man. Ah.
There's Holly. Hi, Holly. What you doing, Holly? Holly.
Yellow snow. I'm gonna go in the deeper snow. Ah.
You're doing a great job, Sarah. You're making it nice and big.
Sarah, look out!
Oh, here it comes. Oh, no. It's a war. It's a snowball war. Oh, no. Don't throw it at me.
Look out!
Don't throw it at me, please. Okay? Thank you. Uh-oh. You got a nice big piece.
No!
Oh, Emmy, come here. Come here, Emmy. Let everybody see what happened. All right, come here. Stop, Sarah. I mean it now.
My glasses.
I know. Come here. Bring them over. Say bye.